Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, I'm so excited today because you guys are getting ready with me for the BTS Yet to Come concert. What? I am so excited and I'm in a rush, so we need to get real started. So I am going to do my makeup, but I really wanted to do like a simple makeup, and I got this cool wig. Yeah, yes. I got this cool wig that has bangs on it because I feel like most Koreans have bangs. And I wanted to imitate some of their fashion, so I went on Shein and got some stuff. So I'm not going full in with my makeup tutorial. If you want to watch how I do my foundation routine and everything, I am going to put a card up here, or is it the side, but you're gonna see a card on top where you can click and watch a full makeup my full makeup tutorial. So I'm just going in and putting in some of this, and I have to open this up. It's like a primer in a way, so just applying it because my face is super dry. So technically we are going to the movies, and it's gonna be it's not playing live, but it was a live concert, and we are just watching the recorded version of it. But I'm still excited because I am a BTS fan. I wouldn't say I am a super fan because yeah, I wouldn't say I'm a super fan, but I do love their music, and I do really find them I really love finding the music just so amazing for me. So guys, do not follow this routine that I'm doing because you're not supposed to start foundation first. I am just starting foundation because my mind is excited right now and I'm in a rush. I am almost late, so I am trying to be as quick as I can but still looking cute. Okay. If you're a BTS fan, go ahead and drop down one of your favorite songs. My top favorite BTS songs is, I have a lot. I think my official introduction was through a friend, and she sent me the song called Save Me by BTS, and I loved that song, but I never really gave them my full attention. So after that, the song Fake Love came out. I'm so sick of this fake love. Sorry, I don't have the song, I don't have the voice for it, sorry. So yeah, I heard that song and I'm like, man, and the music video was amazing. I loved the music video, and I was like, let me just check out what type of singers they are and what are they like, like what, let me get into it and see what happens. And I found a lot of songs that I love so much, like Dimple. What's my other favorite song? I have so many favorite songs from them. Okay, of course Dynamite, Butter, Butterfly. Oh gosh, they have so many beautiful songs. Now I'm just going in with my concealer. I'm just putting a bit of that on my hand and on here. I'm so in a rush, so I'm not as neat as I usually am, but I'm hoping this all comes out proper. Okay. I know I look like a crazy person right now, but trust the process, okay? Let's trust the process. The process is still happening, okay? So basically, when it comes to K-pop, I like BTS. I do like man, I think I only listen to BTS, a bit of Blackpink, a little bit. And my other favorite group, 17. I love 17. I love 17 so much. Okay, and they're another good group. They're a really amazing group too. So I'm just going in with this color right here, and I'm gonna apply that. And with this dark color. I'm such a very weird person. My music is all over the place. I listen to so many things. Like, I don't have a specific genre of music that oh no, I truly do enjoy. I'll be very honest. I truly do enjoy R&B music. I really do. And yeah, I really do love R&B music. But funnily, really funny, I listen to more South African music. I do. And then BTS, I have my moments, but I truly love their music, and the music is very poetic. Like, really, that's how I feel. So I'm not really like, yeah, I'm just all over the place. That's all. I'm just all over the place. But as you can see, the eyeshadow is coming together, so I'm just gonna blend that out so that it just doesn't look very, um, weird, and I'm gonna make that look really nice. Now I'm just going in with some concealer under my eye. Now this is just generally the type of person I am. I'm like never really fixated on one artist. Like, I have like a lot of artists that I listen to, but I have to say, like, regarding boy bands, I do love boy bands. I think the first boy band I was introduced to and I really loved was Westlife. And then from Westlife, I went to I went to One Direction. And when One Direction broke up, BTS. Okay, so now that my face is a little less oily, I'm going in with my mascara. I wanted to put eyeliner, but I can't find my eyeliner, so I'm just gonna go in with the mascara. So yeah, I have listened to BTS ever since then, and what I love about them is that they're consistent and so funny, super funny. Got my eyelashes. I think my eyelashes have been growing, you guys. They have been growing tremendously. But yeah, I think the makeup is looking good. I'm just blending everything out so that it just looks neat. But I'm thinking the makeup looks good. Okay, now I'm just going in and I'm gonna put in some moisturizer on my lips because we want them moisturized. So I'm just going in with my dark mesmerizing gel, and I'm going to use it as my lip liner. There you go. And I'm just going to rub that. See that? Kind of creates like a nice, touch. But just to go on top of that, I'm going to go in with this guys, just use any lipstick. Like, I just buy any lipstick, lip gloss. I just buy any lip gloss I find most of the time. And there we go. It's giving. It's coming together. Okay now. Okay, you guys. So now the next thing I am going to do is put on my lovely wig with bangs. I've never had a wig with bangs before, so this is really exciting for me to do. Really exciting. I can't find my brush. I honestly cannot find anything. Okay, so I'm just gonna use this big comb, and it kind of works in some way, just combing it out. Let's put this wig on. Okay now. I just need to comb it. Fix it later on. But now I'm excited. We are going to go in with the outfit. So these outfits, the jeans, the shoes, the jacket, the blouse, the necklace is all from Shein. I just wanted to show you guys how legit the things are. I was so happy how the things look, and I love it. So that's what I want to wear. So let's get dressed up. So I have this bodysuit from Shein that I'm going to wear, and then I'm gonna wear it with these jeans that I got from Shein too. Absolutely love them so much. And I'm gonna wear them with the jacket, this cute little jacket. I absolutely love it. It's so soft. It is super, super soft. And leaf shoes I also got from Shein. Super amazing. They do look like as the picture that they were shown to me, and I absolutely love them. So I am going to be wearing all of these. So the reason why I'm wearing a jacket is because they said the weather might be a little bit like cold today, rainy. So I was like, let me get my jacket, wear a jacket. So I'm gonna wear a jacket. Now, if you like me, I can't go out with jewelry, so I'm gonna wear some earrings. I think I am ready to go. I am liking my outfit. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you guys think, okay? But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, and I will see y'all real soon.